Alright, found myself looking for some bolts for this exhaust manifold here. It's a 99 Toyota Camry. I believe it's all the same for 97 up to '01, the 2.2. Anyways, I had one broken, and the bolt just wouldn't come out. The whole stud came out, which I could probably still reuse. And then that one's all stripped up. So what I found here, AutoZone didn't have it. Rock Auto sent me the wrong one, and I went to Advanced Auto Parts. They had this kit, 03105. That's the only good hole right now. The other one needs to be tapped out. That's the magic number right there. I'm just going to go ahead and leave that in there. It doesn't have a stop on it like that one, which is kind of weird, but it'll get me by. These are M10-125 by 40.5 millimeters. So if you're looking for the size, that's the size. M10-125. There it is. 1990 Toyota Camry. Exhaust manifold to muffler pipe, exhaust pipe, bolts, and nuts. And these were 1130 with taps.